Today, I will show you how a simple ribbon can transform into a beautiful bow with just very simple steps to complete your holiday look. Let's start. Grab the one piece of ribbon, fold to mark the middle point. Grab your needle and thread. We will start sewing. Grab another piece. Gently pull the thread. Then wrap around to secure the shape. Now grab our last piece of ribbon. And we have here the glittered canvas fabric. A piece of fabric for our centerpiece. And our last steps is to attach our hair clip. And it's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!